This is our laser hybrid welding workstation.
It uses one of our 50 kilogram 6-axis industrial robot.
It shows a box welded with medium thick plate.
There are many industries with this feature. Typical industries are ships, bridges, and construction machinery have this box structure. Can all use this laser hybrid welding. Our laser hybrid welding
Combines the welding process and laser welding process.
the advantages of both. Its welding speed.
Can reach 3 times that of traditional welding.
The heat input deformation is similar to laser welding.
Why do we choose a 50 kilogram robot? To adapt to the laser hybrid welding process.
Because the general laser hybrid welding torch weighs about 35 kilograms.
And its center of gravity is usually offset. During the entire welding, the accuracy requirement of TCP point is high. So
We chose a 50 kilogram robot to adapt to.
to do the adaptation, its end load and allowable, and allow eccentricity are locked. It's 5, but also the 4-5 and 6-axis motors.
This can ensure the stability of our laser hybrid welding. In high-speed welding state,
The stability of TCP, if you have the demand for speeding up or process optimization needs, please contact us in the background